This is Ottawa, December 16th with Sabi. Say hello, Sabi. Hi. And yes, we are having a wonderful snowstorm. This is just a typical day in Ottawa. Beautiful winter. And right now, I believe that we shall be having 60 centimeters of snow today. So, why don't we say goodbye to everybody, Sabi? Say goodbye. Bye-bye.